As we get older, it's easy to believe that slowing down is just part of aging. But the truth is, your body still has incredible potential for strength, balance, and mobility, even after 60. The secret isn't long workouts or expensive gym equipment. It's about doing the right simple movements every day that keep your muscles strong, your joints flexible, and your heart healthy. Today, I'll walk you through 5 essential exercises seniors should do every day after 60. These are safe, easy to follow, and backed by science to help reduce stiffness, prevent falls, and maintain your independence for years to come. You don't need fancy clothes or a gym. Just a few minutes each day and the willingness to move gently and consistently. Let's start with the first exercise, the sit to stand. This simple movement mimics one of the most common daily activities, getting up from a chair. It strengthens your thighs, hips, and core, all of which are crucial for balance and mobility. To do it safely, sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or keep your hands on your thighs for support. Slowly stand up, pushing through your heels, then lower yourself back down with control. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. This exercise improves leg strength and helps maintain your ability to move independently. A 2012 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that older adults who practiced the sit-to-stand daily improved balance and reduced fall risk by over 30%. Now, the second exercise is heel-to-toe walking. This one is all about improving balance and coordination. Many seniors develop a shorter stride or shuffle when walking, which increases the risk of tripping. Heel-to-toe walking retrains your muscles and brain to maintain stability. Start by standing tall. Place one foot directly in front of the other, so the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot. Then take a slow, controlled step forward, keeping your gaze ahead, not down. Try to take 10-20 steps in a straight line, then turn around and walk back. You can do this along a hallway or next to a wall for support if needed. Over time, you'll notice better posture, steadier movement, and more confidence while walking outdoors or on uneven ground. The third essential exercise is wall push-ups. This is a gentle way to strengthen your upper body, especially your chest, shoulders, and arms, without straining your joints. These muscles help you with everyday tasks like pushing open doors, lifting groceries, or supporting yourself when you get up from bed. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat against it at chest height, shoulder width apart. Slowly bend your elbows and lean your body toward the wall, keeping your back straight. Then push back until your arms are straight again. Do this for 10 to 15 repetitions. You'll feel your muscles engage, and it's a great way to build upper body strength without needing to get down on the floor. Studies show that seniors who do upper body strengthening exercises twice a week improve daily function and even sleep quality. The fourth exercise is ankle circles. This one is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important for joint flexibility and blood circulation, especially if you spend long hours sitting or have swelling in your legs. Weak ankles are a major cause of falls in older adults, and keeping them flexible helps you move with more stability. To do this, sit comfortably on a chair. Lift one leg slightly off the floor and slowly rotate your foot in a circular motion, 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. Switch to the other foot and repeat. You can even do this while watching TV or reading. It's simple, but it keeps the joints lubricated and improves circulation to prevent stiffness and cramps. And finally, the fifth essential daily exercise, marching in place. This gentle, low-impact movement boosts blood flow, improves cardiovascular health, and strengthens your legs and core. It is perfect for warming up in the morning or staying active indoors when you can go for a walk outside. Stand tall near a sturdy chair or countertop for support. Lift one knee up toward your chest, then lower it slowly and repeat with the other leg. Keep alternating in a steady rhythm, as if you're marching. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes, rest, then repeat. Over time, you can increase the pace or add gentle arm swings to improve coordination and endurance. Even a few minutes of marching daily can help maintain your heart health, balance, and overall vitality. Now, here's the best part. These 5 exercises don't only just keep your body strong, they also improve your confidence, independence, and mood. Regular movement increases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that help combat anxiety and low energy. You'll notice you move easier, stand taller, and have fewer aches. The key is consistency. Try to do these exercises every day, or at least 5 times a week. You can perform them in your living room, by your bed, or even outside in the garden. If you're new to exercise or have joint issues, always move slowly and listen to your body. Here's a simple daily routine suggestion. Start with ankle circles to warm up your joints. Then do marching in place for 1 to 2 minutes to get your blood flowing. Next, perform 10 sit-to-stands, 10 wall push-ups, and finish with heel-to-toe walking for balance. The entire routine takes less than 10 minutes, but the benefits last all day. Remember, staying active after 60 isn't about perfection, it's about motion. Every gentle movement helps your heart, muscles, and mind stay young. You're not just exercising, you're investing in your independence and quality of life. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It helps more seniors discover these simple, life-changing routines. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on healthy aging, joint care, and natural ways to stay strong and pain-free at any age. Your body is your lifelong home. Take care of it, move it with kindness, and it will keep taking care of you.